Hello, class 3. Hope you all are fine. Yes, today we will be reading the new chapter, The Magic of Mushkil Gusha, chapter number 7. In the story, we will read about the woodcutter. The story is all about the woodcutter and his daughter. And you all know that sometimes the godly people show us the path of helping द मैनकाइंड बट वी फॉरगॉट दैट आफ्टर द अचीविंग थिंग. अक्सर हमारे साथ क्या होता है, हम लोग को कुछ हेल्प मिलती है ऊपर गॉड की तरफ से, बट हम लोग अपना काम होने के बाद वी ऑल यूज टू फॉरगेट दैट थिंग. ओके, नाउ we will read the same thing is happened with the woodcutter. So read the book. Follow in the book. Once in the royal city of Isfahan, there was an old woodcutter. He lived alone with his young daughter. Every day, the woodcutter went out to the desert to gather camel thorn bushes. He sold them in the marketplace as firewood. In this way, he earned barely enough for the two of them. Barely means very difficultly. He used to earn money very difficulty after selling that camel thorn bushes. One morning, the woodcutter's daughter said, "Father, we always have enough to eat just once. It would be nice to have something special. Do you think you could buy us some date cakes?" What is date? Date is a small fruit, that is khajur. "I think I could do that, my dear," said the woodcutter. "I will just gather some extra wood today." So there is a conversation between the father and the daughter. The father, a woodcutter, is talking with the daughter. His daughter is asking that, please father, I want some date cakes and I want to eat that. So then father replied that we have not such money for purchasing the date cake. Okay, let me you give me today's time that I will gather more wood for to purchase the date cake. Now see what happened. So the woodcutter walked further that day to gather more thorn bushes, but it took longer than he meant to. By the time he got back, with the darkness had fallen, it was too late to go to the marketplace. So what the woodcutter did? Woodcutter gathered more thorn bushes to earn more money for the date cake, but the evening has been fallen into a dark night. Then what happened? Next morning, the woodcutter woke. While it was still dark, he thought, "I might go out right now to get another load of wood. Then I can sell twice as much as and buy even more date cakes for his daughter." So he wanted to collect more and more wood, and so that by that he can earn more money and he can get more date cakes for his daughter. So he left his load and went back to the desert to gather more bushes, but again it took longer than he meant to. When he got back, it was dark and door was bolted. Well, again he had to sleep on the doorstep. So when he came back after gathering the wood, he saw that door has been closed by his daughter. His daughter was sleeping on the bed, and then what happened again? He awoke once more before dawn. So what the woodcutter do? He woke at the dawn. Dawn means before the sun rises. There he came late again and found the door bolted. Door has been some closed and some opened. Then see what happened. He sank to the doorstep and wept. The woodcutter saw the door has been closed and his daughter is sleeping, and he sank to the doorstep and wept. He started crying. On sitting on the doorstep. "What's wrong, old man?" He looked up to see the dervish in a long green robe, a tall green cap. Dervish mean a holy man, which is sent by the god. "And holy sir," For 3 days I have gone out to gather thorn bushes, and for 3 days I have come home too late to get into my house, and in all that time I had nothing to eat. What night is this, old man? Then, because of collection of that camel thorn bushes, what the woodcutter is doing, from the 3 days he is coming late and he is unable to earn any money, and the daughter is also sleeping in hunger. Then he was crying and telling this thing to that holy person. Then what happened? The woodcutter said, "Why Friday?" The holy man said, "See on Friday." Then what woodcutter said, "Why Friday evening, of course." That's right, it's the evening of a holy day. Then Friday is the holy day for the Muslims. So the holy man said, "You will see the magic on the Friday." So Mushkil Gusha said the woodcutter, "That's right, old man, the removal of difficulties." The holy man took some roasted chickpeas and raisins from his pouch and handed them to the woodcutter. "Here, share this with me." "Thank you, sir. You may not know it, but Mushkil Gusha is already helping you. If you want your good fortune to continue, here's what you must do." See, then holy person told to woodcutter, "Every Friday evening find someone in need, then share what you have and tell a tale of Mushkil Gusha." So that holy person told to woodcutter that every Friday give something who is in need. give मतलब like whatever you have, whatever you जो भी आप खाओगे वो फ्राइडे के दिन किसी भी पुअर पर्सन को शेयर करो. Then see that why both will be helped. This way the holy man told that you will also be in very in luxury, and the poor person also be. Then, "Father, where have you been?" I was so worried. They went in and enjoyed the date cakes. The daughter his daughter asked, "Then where, father, where are you?" And they both have enjoyed the date cake. One day his daughter went out to have walk in the park. The royal princess was out for a ride. She saw her and thought how beautiful this girl was. She asked her to become her handmaid, a maid who always remains with the princess. The daughter agreed, given by the prince. The father and the daughter became rich very soon. The father did not have to go to collect the wood in the forest. Then, after becoming the handmaid of the princess, they become rich, and then the woodcutter do not go for to collect the bushes. One day the princess went to the father's private garden for a picnic along with her maid. She hung a gold necklace on a branch of the tree and forgot to take it back. Then after a few days she looked for her necklace in the palace but could not find. What the princess did, princess went to the picnic in the father's garden, and what she put his necklace to the branch of the tree and she forgot to take back from the. Then she asked the daughter of the woodcutter if she had seen her necklace, and daughter of the woodcutter was a maid of the princess. So maid was asked for the necklace. Princess asked the necklace from the maid, but maid said that I don't have the necklace. So princess became angry. "You theft! You have stolen my necklace and are refusing to accept it. I will punish you for this. Stay away from the palace." Next day a few royal soldiers came and arrested the woodcutter and tied him in a center of the city. Then every passerby laughed at him and taunted him. He sat there in chains, head down, thinking over the events of his past. He remembered what the holy man had said. Suddenly someone dropped a few chickpeas and raisins. He looked up, but there was no one. It was a Friday eve, and Mushkil Gusha. He shared the raisins and chickpeas with a beggar boy and told him his story and Mushkil Kusha. The boy met his rich father from whom he was separated in a journey. The princess found a necklace and the woodcutter was free. As from the story you all come to know that whatever we promise to the god, we should do that after getting the achievement. हम लोग अक्सर करके अपने अचीवमेंट्स को पाने के लिए गॉड से प्रॉमिस करते हैं या गॉड हमसे प्रॉमिस लेते हैं. देन यू शुड डू दैट थिंग फॉर द मैन काइंड, टू हेल्प द अदर पुअर ऑल्सो. So the magic of the Mushkil Kusha was again helped the woodcutter and his daughter in saving their lives. So hope you have understood the story. Please do all the question answers, word meanings and difficult words, and do prepare for your half yearly examination which are going to come in soon. And have a nice day. Good day. Take care everyone.